Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm feeding a baby bird that has, well, I've been taking care of it for a while. I forgot to make a video when I first found her, or him, but yeah, I have that, and we're gonna feed her. And you guys might remember my Toad Mania cage. I call it Toad Mania. That was it. It's all dried up now. I let the toads go free like a year ago. That's the waterfall all dried up. And I got one little baby toad I found. And today I'm going to try to start Toad Mania up again. But first, let's feed Lily. Lily is a little barn swallow that I found outside. You guys may remember the video of Kiwi, the barn swallow. I'm sure that Lily is, I'm pretty sure that Lily is Kiwi's daughter. I don't know if Kiwi was a boy or a girl, but all I know is that Kiwi was one of them. So the family of Kiwi was Lily, right there, Lily, and today I'm going to feed them. I'm sorry about that. I'm just going to go far away from it because I don't want to, actually I won't show that because I don't want to get, I don't want to make YouTube mad at me, so I will just, what I do is I cut them up, but I will not show you that because YouTube's still going to get mad at me. So yeah, if I can even find one. Bye, Heather. Oh yeah, you guys might want to know where Pina Colada is. Well, she got, oops, sorry, I forgot. I got so close to the screen. She's right up there. She got trapped behind there. She can get out. I'll just help her after, but there's Kiwi. Not Kiwi, there's Lily. Hello. Huh. Maybe there's nothing in there. I don't know if there's anything in there, so I'll just do this. Nope. Let's open up a new one. Yep, there we go. New container. Now I'll get rid of this disgusting. Actually, what I gotta do is I'm gonna pour that back in there. Then this will be thrown away later today. Now we have new clean lid. There you go. Now, I'm going to set this to the side right here where you guys will see Lily. I'll be cutting up the mealworms first. You guys won't see it though, because I'll be right here cutting them up. You will see the cut up mealworms though. Got it? Just a little bit. Oops, sorry. Got it? Yep, there's Lily. Got some more? Nope, do you want some water? I guess you want some water. That's probably what she wants. Kiwi. Or not Kiwi, I keep saying Kiwi. Kiwi. Actually, I'll just put it on my hand. I'll hold you. Want some water? She knows what the water is. There. Do you want any more? 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 Nope. Shook her head, said no. Maybe now she'll want some more mealworms. Here you go, Lily. Get this tap. There's a mealworm. It's to kill it to make sure it's dead. Okay, now it's gone. I usually stab them in the head to make sure they don't suffer. Okay? You're gonna poop? Oh no. No, don't put it in. Are you pooping or what are you doing? Why did you just turn around? Okay, guess Lily does not want any more food. Want some more water? Want some more water? Here. She wants. Good? Okay. I know pina colada. Hey. Okay. Now. Now Lily is done eating. And I have to. Come on, look at Kiwi. Lily. Keep getting those mixed up. Hey, Lily. What's the best? Pina colada, UK. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.